bars, each of for a specific category represents the value of that category. To make a bar chart with Matplotlib, we need to use the plt.bar function. That is the main function that to be used. Okay, so now let us make it one bar. Okay, bar chart. Okay, depending on certain data. All right, that is the thing. So now first of all, we need to create the bar graphs. Okay, we are just taking an example over here. Okay, just a student data we are just taking. Okay, and then we will represent their age, okay, in the form of bar graph. Okay, so first of all, let us start it with the by importing the Matplotlib, and we need here the both the data visualization package that is called pandas. Okay, Python pandas. Okay, that is the thing we require. Okay, so now let us see out here. Okay, so how these things to be done. This is the thing is happening. Okay, you know. Okay, just a minute. Let's see now who has joined. Sanjit Paul. Sandipan is there. Okay, Sanjit, it is too late. Okay, we have started the proceeding. Okay, 12 o'clock. Hello Sanjit, could you hear me? We have started. So the bar graphs. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so please join in time. All right. Okay, so let us go back to the Python program once. Okay, so yes, we have uh, started it already. So let us see how this is functioning. Okay, so this is the place where we will write the program. We are writing the program in interactive mode. Okay, sorry, script mode. Okay, so first of all, which package do we need to have over here? First of all, we have to need import Matplotlib. Matplotlib. Okay, import matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, dot pyplot. Okay, that is the Python plot. Okay, as plt. Okay, so plt is what? Plt is actually the alias. Okay, so means we are creating a reference for the Matplotlib class in order to for the Matplotlib library in order to use all its related methods and commands. Okay, that is the thing. So next we have to use the import pandas as pd, because we are creating a data frame first, then the creating after creation of the data frame we are putting it into the plot. Okay, in the graph. Okay, the data to be represented by plotting the data, of course numeric data. So here also we are creating the alias of the pandas class, which is actually the import pandas as pd. All right, so next what we will do, we will just create a dictionary. Say we are giving out here dic1. Okay, d1. Okay, so d1 is the one. Okay, that is actually creating the dictionary. Now you know, whenever you are creating the dictionary, what do you have? You must have what? You must have the thing that is called name. Okay, sorry, not the name, I mean to say that it must have its key. Okay, because our dictionary is a combination of key value pair, which is actually the prerequisite of the class 11. Okay, and the list, both the things we require out here in order to create the data frame. First of all, we are making a dictionary with using a key value pair. Okay, so the thing is that name. Okay, so this is actually the name and then colon. Okay, so name and then here we are giving colon. So this is a key has been created, and then by in a list we will create the this thing. Okay, so the name is say Asha, asha, Asha. Then we will create what? Kashish, K-S-H-I-S-H, Kashish, and then say what do you call, just a minute, it has to be kept within single quote since these are all string data. Okay, Kashish, and then say what else? Meeta. Okay, M-E-E-T-A, Meeta. Okay, and then say we are having another name, Sunit. Okay, Sumit. Okay, Sumit. All right, and then say I am having a Raju. Okay, that is the thing. So these are the 5 names that I had taken. Okay, so and a key value pair has been completed. In fact, an item of the dictionary has been completed. Fine. Okay, next we are coming where we are just creating a age. Okay, creating a age key. Okay, so similar way. Okay, so giving here, and sorry, and then the colon to come. Okay, sorry, colon to come. Okay, and then so we will give the ages over here, say 15 comma 18 comma 20 comma 12 comma 14. Okay, so these are the 5 ages that we have given. So closing this, another key value pair. Okay, then next what we have, we will have our gender. Okay, out here gender. Okay, so take the key over here, gender. Okay, gender, and then you are just keeping out here gender, and then what else we can do out here, we can take the gender like this. What it will be? So first of all f. Okay, then next is also f, I think, no, it is m. Okay, m, then we are having again m, and then we are having m once again. So no, I'm sorry, this is Mita is f. Okay, Mita is f, then both are m and m. Okay, that is the thing. So now another key has been completed, m and m, okay, m and m, this has been completed, and then we will close it, and then we are closing the dictionary. Okay, so this we, for making the data frame, we are ready now. Okay, so then what we will do, we will just call the, take a data frame object variable, okay, and then we will call the data frame constructor, okay, data frame constructor, okay, data frame constructor from pandas, okay, that is pandas library. Okay, so what we will do out here, we will take d1, and the index we want to take out here, index what, some index we want to take. So that is what we will create a list out here. So index equals to what, say 100, sorry, 100, okay, then 101, 101, then 102, then 103, then 104. Okay, so 5 index we have to take, because we have taken 5 data values. Okay, that is the thing. So, and there are 3 keys in the 3 items in the dictionary. Okay, clear, understood, and the 3 key value pair also you can say. Okay, now say we are displaying the print, okay, the data frame. So in this way, clear, we have printed the data frame. So this is actually the command. Here actually we are ending our creation of data frame. So what is happening, a documentation can be given over here, creation of data frame ends. Okay, data frame, okay, ends, okay, here. Okay, so that is the thing. So this is not mandatory, but you may give it. Okay, that is the thing. So now we will approach the plotting, approach for plotting. Okay, so now what is happening, we will do on 2 columns, that is, it is not mandatory that we have to use all the columns out here. Okay, we will use the numeric column age, and because the graphs and plots are based on the numeric data only. Okay, so we will use your name and age for plotting. Okay, so in the x-axis, that I am taking x only, you can take other variable, but for the convenience you can keep x. Okay, for the x-axis. Okay, so what will be there, df, and then you will have out here name. Okay, name, fine. So that is the column will be in the, that is the information for the x-axis, fine. Okay, x-axis formation, then y equals to what, again we will take on what, we will take on age. So we will keep out here age. Okay, that is the thing. See here. Okay, so the age has come over here. Okay, so now 2 axes we had fixed out here in this manner. All right, so now we will give the main command, which is actually the bar graph. Students, I want to repeat once more the definition for the bar graphs. A graph drawn in rectangular bars to show how large each value is. The bars can be horizontal or vertical. The length of the rectangular bars, each for a specific category, represents the value of that category. Now to make a bar chart, we need to use the Matplotlib library, and we need to use the plt.bar method. Plt means that is the alias for the Matplotlib class. Okay, these are the full-fledged definition of the bar graph. All right, so now let us come over there. Okay, now let us come over there. Okay, so plt.bar, okay, name, age and all, okay, is available out here. Okay, so the thing is that x and y axis has been fixed. Okay, then plt.bar we have to take in this way, plt.bar. Okay, bar, then we will keep what, we will keep the x axis, y axis, okay, and then width. Okay, width also we have to take, okay, 0.5. for horizontal bar graph we don't require, but for the vertical one we need to take. Okay, so that is the thing. So x, y width is 0.5. so next we are coming over here, 1 minute, just let us see that who has joined. Shubranil, it is too late, huh? So almost 15 minutes has been passed. Okay, had been passed, then you have joined. Okay, so okay, let us come back to the program once. Okay, so width 0.5 we have taken. So these are the different parameters that we are taking, and then the color also need to be given. Okay, so what we are giving out here, colors, let's say we are taking out here green. Okay, green we are taking. Okay, and then closing this. So this is actually for creating okay, for creating bar graph. Okay, that is the thing, for creating bar graph. Okay, plt.bar. Okay, now see, we will set one by one this thing, title also. Title we will take what, we will representing age. Okay, representing age, okay, of the students. Okay, students. Here we can use two parameters, students. What are the things? We'll just give a gap out here, and we can give out here one parameter that is called font size. Font size we are taking measurable, that is 14, okay, 14 pixels, okay, clear. And then reasonable size 14, and then color we will keep out here blue. Color equals to, you will keep out here blue, blue. All right, that is the things, and then closing it. Fine, sorry, closing it. Fine. Okay, so then title is over. Now we will keep the x level. So plt dot x level. Okay, x level means, in the x level means in the horizontal to the x axis it will be there. So spelling is wrong. X level will be in this way. Okay, so here what it will be? Names of students, double quotes, names of students. Okay, names of students, that is in the horizontal x axis. Okay, that is the thing. So again the same thing. Okay, so what font size that can take? Font size that you can take is 14, and then color we can take as red. Okay, color we can take as red. Color don't give color, always give color. Okay, so color we can give out a red. Fine. So then this has been closed. Okay, and then plt dot y level, and then say names. So now this is the ages, I think. Yeah, age of the students. Okay, age of the students. Okay, now no more entry is possible. Okay, font size equals to 14. Okay, then color equals to what? Red. Okay, red. Fine. So now the thing is that plt dot y level, age of the students. So everything is ready. Now the final command we have to give in order to display the particular chart. Okay, so what command should we give? We have to give here plt dot what? Plt dot show. This is the main command to display the chart. Okay, to display the bar graph. Okay, bar graph. Okay, so we have to give this particular. So students, whenever you are doing the program, it is important, not mandatory, to give the documentation in order to understand what is actually happening with the specific set of commands. Okay, or the instructions. Okay, so now let us execute the program to get the output. In this case, the print df will print the data frame. Okay, clear. Print the data frame in the interactive that is on the Python shell, and the graph will be created in a separate window. Okay, so both the things are happening in this particular program. Okay, so now first, once we will doing it, then we have to save the program, and then we have to proceed further. Okay, that is the thing. So now here each and every comment that you can see, first of all we have imported the matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Fine, this is the first package that we need to input. Okay, sorry, to give. Okay, so then next we have to import the pandas pd. Okay, so what pandas pd will do? It will just create the object of the pandas class. Okay, and finally what will happen? You are actually declaring a dictionary. Okay, what is that? d1 equals to name. You are keeping the three keys out here. What are the keys available? Name, age, and gender. Okay, and then we are creating the data frame. Okay, then we are creating the data frame. Fine. So what is the data frame? Out here, this data frame name is df. Out here we have given, and then finally we have given the index also over there. Okay, so because if you are not giving the index, in that case nothing will happen. It will be generating 0 1 2 3 4 as the index. Okay, that is the thing. So index, so the save as window has been appeared. Okay, and finally we have given taken the x axis and y axis. I'm coming to that. Okay, so that is the thing. Suppose a bar. Okay, bar 1 sorry, the bar 1. Okay, so what is the thing? Student. Okay, student. Okay, so you are saving this name, and the execution phase we are just entering after saving. Okay, so we have saved it. Okay, with this one, and then the output phase will be appearing. So here the x-axis is having a particular this thing what you call name, and then age is there. Okay, name and age is available over there. Okay, you will see out here the graph will be appearing shortly. Okay, so the thing is that clear. So whatever age we have taken, when the graph will appear, after that we have to verify whether it has come. So it is giving some problem in the idle process. Okay, so let's see, close it. Okay, and then we will just go for execution once more. Okay, so you have to, once the graph appears, you have to see whether all the values are coming perfectly or not. Okay, that is there. Okay, and the plt.bar is the, and plt.show, these two are actually the important command out here. Okay, so plt.show, actually what it does, it actually just a minute, what is the problem? Python has been some problem. Okay, let's start coming to that. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just a minute. Okay, so the Python this Python graph is actually helping us out in order to create the graph by using the Matplotlib. Okay, so the dictionary is actually giving us the particular facility. All right, that is the thing. Clear. And then whenever you are doing in this program that data frame dict1 index 100 and 101, 102 and 103, that actually creating the index. So when you are mentioning the index, fine, there will be no problem. You are actually creating the index. Okay, creating the index of your own. Okay, that is the customized index, we can say. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so now let us execute this program. Okay, and then see what is actually the output being generated. Okay, so the idle is actually the error comes during the execution of the process. What is the thing? During the execution of the program. Okay, sometimes it appears. Okay, so that is not the thing. So it doesn't mean that Python crashes. Okay, it is giving some system error, it comes. Okay, so it will go actually when you shut down the Python and then again load it. Okay, that is the thing. So the thing is that here the idle shell is having the problem. Okay, so I'm just stopping it this one. Okay, so I'm closing it this one also. Okay, so that is the thing. So I'm just cancelling it. Okay, so the output will be appearing shortly. Wait. Okay, that is the thing. So now here, okay, little bit small changes we can make in order to make the horizontal bar graph. Okay, so horizontal bar graph, how it will appear, so, and I will show you. Here you have to make the change specifically. So what will happen here, you have to use the command, instead of plt.bar you have to use the bar age. Okay, what to be used, you have to use the bar age. Okay, so the data frame is appeared over here. You can see the previous program, the data frame, and the graph will be displaying shortly. So here is the bar graph is coming in a separate window, as I have told you. Okay, that is the thing. So this is the graph window. Actually you can see, you can verify from the data. Okay, here that is the age column is having what, you can see 15 out here has come, 18 also out here has come. Okay, gender so you not consider, then 20 has come over here, and then 12 has come over here, and then 14 has come over here. Okay, that is the thing. So little bit if you see it vertically, then in this way if you come, then the 14 will be just 1 point down. Okay, so this is fine, there is no problem. Okay, so in this way what is happening, you are drawing a bar graph. Okay, so you are drawing a bar graph. So now how will you convert it into in the horizontal bar graph? Okay, that is also there. Okay, so in the same program we will save it as with another name, so our old program also will remain. So the thing is that when you will make the bar graph, up to here it will be same thing. Okay, so as I had told you, here on it will change. Okay, so that is the thing, and the rest of the things will remain same out here whenever you are giving. So what you just give bar age out here, and then say how easily you can make, you see you can convert it. Okay, sometimes the conversion comes. Okay, so you keep it out here, then xy I have kept out here. Okay, and I forgot to give a remark out here to create a bar graph. Okay, to create, okay, sorry, program to create. So remark is also important. Program to create a horizontal okay bar graph. Okay, bar graph. Okay, clear. To visualize student's age. Okay, student's age. All right, that is the thing. Clear, to display the show, and rest of the things are fine, there will be no problem. And one more important thing, that in this case x become the y axis and y becomes the x axis. So it will become the age, and it will become the names of the students. Okay, age of the students, age of students, and this will be the names of the students. Okay, names of the students. So that thing will happen, plt.show. Okay, that is the thing. So run module. Okay, so when you do it, okay, so now what will happen, you just click on this. Okay, and we have saved it. Okay, finally. Clear. and this is the visual, we are visualizing the data over there. Okay, now you see the data frame also will be displayed along with the horizontal bar graph also will be displayed. Only the small changes we had made in this particular program. So that is what I was saying. Actually the data frame, when you are making so when you, that is actually your base whenever you are making the data frame. So afterwards whatever comments that you are giving, okay, that will be applicable on data frame only. So that's why frame, first of all form a data frame, and after that what you do, after that you apply comments on it in order to get whether it is horizontal bar chart, whether it is vertical bar chart, or what is a normal bar graph. Okay, that is the thing. So horizontal, actually vertical is normal only. Okay, so that is the thing. So in that case, what could you do, you can use some other comments also over there. If you are removing those comments from there, you will be able to apply other comments. So it is taking some time. The data frame has come, and then shortly that horizontal bar graph will appear in front of you. So it has come over there, you can see it. Okay, so these are the things representing the age of the students. Okay, so here the age of students. Okay, and here the names of students has appeared. Okay, so if you elongate it, you can see the full information out here. So that is the full graph actually been drawn over here. So here also you can see the 15. Okay, so 20 has come over here. Okay, so this is just 18. Okay, here is 15, and here it is say how much, say it is suppose 10, and then say 12 or something. Okay, Sumit. Okay, so you can easily find out the who is having the maximum age as who is having the least age. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so here we have completed these two programs of bar graph. Okay, how to create the horizontal bar graph and how to create the vertical bar graph. Okay, sorry, the normal bar graph I mean to say. Clear? That is the thing. So if you are doing this practical implementation, you can take these two programs. Okay, these two programs as your model program. Okay, and then frame it and work under this frame. Okay, that is the thing. This set of comments only. What are the things? Bar age, title, x level, y level, show. Okay, these are the things, and fix the x-axis and y-axis after making the data frame, after the formation of the data frame. Okay, so implement it practically, you will come to know what are the things is happening here. Okay, that is the thing. So today, so these two programs I had given you for the practical implementation. This will be available in the Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp group, Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Actually the live class I will the total I will give in the YouTube channel. Okay, so you view the YouTube link. Okay, and then again further implementation, okay, further explanation you will be able to listen, and we can go through. Okay, that is the things, and you can work through, I mean. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, students. Okay, let's see, I'm coming to you and I will ask some question to you onto this.